Hi, I'm Shruti.
And I'm Jyoti, and welcome back to the channel. And
And what are we reacting to today, Jojo? Come tell
um,
us.
we are reacting to not just one but two videos.
Two?
Two,
Same.
two,
Abhi kya bhi?
two,
Hi,
two
how?
together.
Why? Why are we doing that?
Because I've been asked to do it in this manner simply because we are exploring the older Krishna from back in the
Okay.
day when he first sort of went viral and wrote
Had a
these.
different name.
Yeah, and I also wrote these songs and performed these songs that are kind of have a social message. Um,
Oh,
so they were like,
nice.
explore the side of him. You haven't seen that side of him, and then watch both the videos together in one reaction. So here we are. So the first one is called Kaisa Mera Desh, which is something
Okay.
he penned down in 2010, and apparently
Acha.
he put it on YouTube at night and just went off to sleep and. Without expecting anything to happen with it, and apparently it went viral overnight, and it was trending on number 2 on YouTube the next day.
ये कितनी
So
वन ऑफ दोस फिल्मों वाली कहानी है ना कि
yeah,
अरे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था रात को बस सो गए उठा तो ओ सुपरस्टार बन गए थे It's
and
one of
yeah,
those.
yeah,
हाँ,
and the Commonwealth scam was like in the news, like properly at that time, right? So
yeah.
I think he also got covered by the news channels and all of that. So it was
But it's a very
topical.
interesting premise. Yeah, it's a very interesting premise to create a
Yeah,
song on,
yeah.
where whatever you're feeling and whatever angst is, you're actually showing it. So good. I'm excited to see what he used to make 10 years back.
Yeah, and after that we'll watch the second one. It's called Vijay. It's something he did in collaboration with an NGO called Save the Children, I believe, and
Okay.
it's basically about the children from that NGO, and then apparently he also shot at with the kids from that NGO, and it's basically about child labor and poverty in India. So yeah,
Okay. Both strong
let's
social messages,
yeah,
corruption and poverty. Wow. Okay. Let's see.
and child labor. Yeah, so let's
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
into Kaisa Mera Desh first and
Okay.
take it from there. So ready?
Yes. Count me down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
ये कैसा मेरा देश जिस पे गरीबी का बोझ, ये कैसा मेरा देश जहाँ मर रहे हैं लोग, ये कैसा मेरा देश क्या है इसका हाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश पूछ के देखो ये सवाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश जिस पे गरीबी का बोझ, ये कैसा मेरा देश जहाँ मर रहे हैं लोग, ये कैसा मेरा देश क्या है इसका हाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश पूछ के देखो ये सवाल। मेरे देश का क्या हाल, ये राजनीति पैसे का खेल, जाते हैं जेल फिर बनाते हैं सरकार, जहाँ आधे से ज्यादा मंत्री हैं गुनेगार। जानना चाहते थे मेरे विचार, सिर्फ भ्रष्टाचार का बना व्यवहार, गरीबी हर पार और नफरत फैलाना इनके जीत का औजार। फिर बोलते हैं तरक्की कर रहा है हिंदुस्तान, ये झूठे धोखेबाजी, ये नेता है चुनाव के लिए करे देश गुलामी। ये कैसा देश जहाँ सरकार में बैठे सबसे बड़े आतंकवादी, मनाए स्वतंत्रता मगर पूछो कहाँ है आजादी, जब पेट रहे भूखे और पीने को नहीं पानी, या मनमानी या बदनामी, सारी एक ही कहानी, बर्बादी की एक ही कहानी। हाँ देखो सबकी एक ही कहानी। यहाँ ये कैसा मेरा देश जिस पे गरीबी का बोझ, ये कैसा मेरा देश जहाँ मर रहे हैं लोग, ये कैसा मेरा देश क्या है इसका हाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश पूछ के देखो ये सवाल। एक देश को बनाता है कौन, नौजवान। इस देश में कमाता है कौन, नौजवान। और देश को चलाता है कौन, नौजवान। These old guys run our lives to hold strong. अगर वोट नहीं देंगे then you can't be complaining. They say the games are failing cause it was really raining. Yeah right, ये भ्रष्ट मंत्री गंदगी फैलाते हैं, शर्म के मारे हमारे सर झुकाते हैं, पूरे साल रुलाते हैं और अगली बार चुनाव में वापस आते हैं हम पीछे रह जाते हैं। क्या इस बात में नहीं दम, क्योंकि एक महीने बाद सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे हम। They say be positive, I say f you, cause I'ma say what the hell I want to. Flaunt truth cause youth is power and I ain't seen none of that. So put your hands up, tell me where my brothers at। मेरा देश जिस पे गरीबी का बोझ, ये कैसा मेरा देश जहाँ मर रहे हैं लोग, ये कैसा मेरा देश क्या है इसका हाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश पूछ के देखो ये सवाल। ये कैसा मेरा देश जिस पे गरीबी का बोझ, ये कैसा मेरा देश जहाँ मर रहे हैं लोग, ये कैसा मेरा देश क्या है इसका हाल, ये कैसा मेरा देश पूछ के देखो ये सवाल।
Hmm. Thoughts?
Well, I think first and foremost, let's go with appearances. he's looking like a baby. Like, you know, because 10 saal pehle, like there's a difference, right? In the way
Yeah.
his image, the way he's, you know, the way he looks. So first and foremost, you're like, he's looking like, "Arey, kitna bachcha lag raha hai, he's so sweet." So one to that. And then if we come to talk about the video, very strong video, yeah. Like everything he's spoken about is something all of us think about. It's something all of us feel strongly for. It's something that all of us constantly keep wondering, talking about to our friends, to everything. So he's just put all that in a really good format as a song with, and as a good song. Like, you know, I actually felt while listening to it, and I was like, yeah, like, what is happening? What is happening to the country? Why is this happening? Why is it? So it's no wonder that time वो तो सो गया था रात को, लेकिन सुबह उठने के बाद the reason it became number 2 दिख रहा है. Even till date, I think it's a really nice number.
Yeah.
Like I would not have guessed it that it was made 10 years back.
Yeah. It's I mean, he doesn't directly talk about the scam or this thing, but just an overall general picture and about how if you don't vote, you can't complain, and things like that you can think about in any time, any day, month, year. When you listen to the song, it'll still be relevant, right?
And all the politicians going to, you know, whatever, everything that he's talking about.
Yeah.
So,
and I think I mean, quality-wise, yes, it's a 10-year-old video, but I think it was very intelligently shot because they obviously showed all the poor areas and all the places that, you know, there's garbage everywhere and this and that, and then they say that the desh is doing tarakki, but where is it? I don't see it. And I have a lot to say about this because, like, for example, I mean, you live in Bombay, you also know, and I recently spent a couple of years in Delhi, and it was so different, like the stark difference between when I would go to West Delhi for some work and when I would go to the Lutyens side of Delhi, right? It's just like, and I would just look, and I would, and I would tell my friends and my people at work, like, so it is possible to keep the city clean. It is possible. Clearly, it's possible, but you'll only do it where the VIPs are. You can't be bothered to do it in other places, like to maintain it in the same standard, right? It was just so disappointing to see that the city looks so beautiful and clean and wide roads and absolutely no garbage anywhere. But it's just restricted to one side. Why? Why should that be? You can clearly do the same thing everywhere in every city. It's just about setting that resolve and wanting to spend the money to do that. But
wanting to spend the money, and more importantly, the money that comes into the system, it actually going for what it is being spent for. That is like the most important second.
So it's just basically just can't be bothered, right? That's what
so now I want to know what the second video is about. Like, why with this another? Like, what is the story?
Yeah, but I mean, I also want to mention that I mean, this song, I think I think he made it just like, I don't think he was with any label at this time. So I think just the fact that he was so frustrated by everything that was happening, and he wrote it and he recorded it on his own, and it's edited by some it's got credits here, directed by Karuni Mathur, Vibhu Kashyap, edited by Shalu Shabnam. Not sure if they're friends of his or
I think all of them also must have featured in the video, because there were these different people coming in the video, right?
Could be.
So I'm pretty sure that all of them featured in it.
Yeah, I think it's just want to commend and applaud the effort that was taken to put this out there and for the right reason. So yeah, nicely done. And you're right, it looks very young. Very young. Right? Such a different, Anyway, so let's move on to Vijay.
Now Vijay is also 10 years old, or is it a relatively newer one?
No, I think it was written like around the same time, if I'm not mistaken, maybe a year or two after Kaisa Mera Desh.
Right.
So I think he was still young he was still Prospect. It's called Prospect at the time. And that's just cool. It says re-upload in the title, and the date is 2015. So I think it was made way before that.
And re-uploaded once he became more famous. Then he said, "Ek baar aur dalo." Like, you know, people have missed it now.
या फिर वो पुराना वाला निकल गया होगा YouTube से, कुछ तो हुआ होगा. I don't know. Originally uploaded in 2012, re-uploaded due to technical problems. It's there in the description. So yeah.
You are in sync, Joe. You are like fully in sync.
We just have to open our eyes and read, basically, instead of guessing. Okay, chalo, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
आज भी इस देश में गरीबी का हिसाब नहीं, सपने तो है लाखों मगर पढ़ने को किताब नहीं। 11 साल की उम्र है, विजय करता है काम सुबह से लेके शाम, अपने हालातों का गुलाम। और दिक्कत है वही, क्योंकि खेलना कूदना इसके किस्मत में नहीं। ये फंसा जीवन के जाल में, देखता है ये गाड़ियाँ मकान, ये बॉलीवुड फिल्में, और एक दिन रहना चाहता है शान से। मगर माँ बाप मजबूर मजदूर, इसके छोटे कंधों पर बोझ है खूब, रोज सहनी पड़ती है धूल मिट्टी और धूप। सपने लगने लगे हैं झूठ, विजय है इसका नाम लेकिन इसकी जीत अभी है दूर।
वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे। वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे।
विजय हुआ 16 साल का, 2 छोटी बहनें और घर बार संभालना, पढ़ना लिखना सीख ना पाया तो पैसे के लिए परेशान, सुबह शाम करे काम, इसके सपने अधूरे तो ये कैसा अंजाम। इसमें विजय का कसूर नहीं, इनको गरीब लगते हैं मंत्री जिनके उसूल नहीं, वोटों के लिए बोलते हैं झूठ, यही भ्रष्टाचार को करते मजबूर, फिर भी मिलती है छूट, कानून के हाथों से रहे दूर। वही परिवार का बोझ, अब इसके पास क्या चारा, जीवन कठोर, कोई न बचा सहारा, कैसे करे ये गुजारा। बोलूं दोबारा, ये सिर्फ विजय की कहानी नहीं, ये है हिंदुस्तान की कीमत क्या जान की, कहाँ सबूत क्या अटूट, यहाँ सहनी पड़ती है भूख, कब मिलेगी गरीबी से छूट। सपने लगने लगे हैं झूठ, विजय है इसका नाम लेकिन इसकी जीत अभी है दूर।
वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे। वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे।
मैं बड़े होकर टीचर बनूंगी,
मेरे को इंजीनियर बनना,
पायलट बनूंगा,
मैं बड़ा होकर पुलिस बनूंगा,
बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ।
वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे। वो दिन आएंगे हम ना सर झुकाएंगे, हमें लड़ना है आशा की, कल जीत होगी पास हमारे। कल जीत होगी पास हमारे।
Save the children.
Respect.
Additional vocals by Aman Singh. That's what I was wondering. That if if the vocals were by him only, or if somebody else. So clearly, vocals were by someone else. Yeah.
Mary plays center. Oh.
The end visuals of the children were so cute. Like they were
Yeah.
actually like the playfulness, because it's a very serious song. So it's a very yeah, it's a serious song. It really makes you think and really pushes you to that level. So when you're going there and then end with all those little smiles, they just make you like. But come on, Joe. So tell, what was your feels right from the way when it started, and what did you feel about the whole thing?
Oh
Reactivate.
God, I need a moment. I think you go first. You
Okay.
go first.
So last song also I began with first impressions of him. So let's begin with that, of Krishna, or young prospects. Because he's not Krishna yet. So
Yeah.
I mean, at least in the video. So if I saw both the videos, I would have been like, ये तो दोनों अलग-अलग लोग हैं. I would not have because in this he looked. Correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't he looking really weak in this video? Like as though he's been through a really tough time, and that he's been through a little bit of a grind, if the previous video had released in 2010 and this first time was uploaded, you said in 2012 and then again in 15, right?
I think
So in
maybe 11, 12, around there.
so 1-2 years
Yeah.
between the two videos, right? With just in 1-2 years, that much difference in the way he's looking, it means when one sees a bit of a tough life is when you go through that change, you know. So I don't know. I could be just reading too much into it, but my first impression was, oh my god, what happened to him? Like, what? Why? Kya hua? So if you guys know, please tell what happened. Like, is this? Am I just imagining it? या ऐसा कुछ हुआ था? And but when we come to the song, he still has that spark, no? वो first गाने वाली, like where he's talking about the things that matter, talking about stuff that needs to make a difference. It's not at all the way his songs are today. Do you feel that there's a huge difference between the way he does today, like all his songs which are now there, and as Krishna versus Young Prospect? Do you, at least we have these two songs to draw a parallel from, do you think there's a difference in the way he does it?
I think there's definitely a lot more difference in his. If I'm just speaking about the actual like style of rap, there's a lot of
Yeah.
more confidence in his flow.
Voice.
I feel the flow
Yeah.
has definitely evolved over time. So has
Right.
his lyrical sort of skill. I feel
Prowess.
yeah,
Yes.
prowess, and
Yeah.
also. I mean, to be fair, we've reacted to a lot of diss tracks. We reacted to the non-diss would be stuff like no losses or I'm ready. I think, yeah, the Desi Rap 2016, that was amazing. Vyanjan as well, which was mind-boggling. So yeah, from what I can see, technically, yes, his flow has definitely changed and evolved a lot.
Yeah.
From Kaisa Mera Desh to this one, I feel like it's pretty similar, and yes, it's very apparent that he chose to pick topics that really were close to his heart and write about those. Like that was his main sort of go-to subgenre, I would say, if I can call it that, when he chose to create something back in those days. So I think that I mean, artists' priorities and attention and things like that, and their willingness to then experiment and try things that are out of their comfort zone, that obviously evolves with time. So,
but would you like to see him do something like this today with all the involvement that he's gone through and everything?
Always,
right? It would
yeah, it would be very different from this.
very fresh.
Obviously, it would, yeah, because he's you can see he's evolved so much as a writer as well as.
So knock Krishna, if you're watching this, please write something like super fun, like, or like super which has a message. Fun to you always, right? But like something that has a message, like your these songs. We'd love to see you do that contrasting stuff. Like
If
it'd be
he's
super
so
fun.
inclined, yeah, if he's so inclined, and
Yeah.
also like his album is coming up, so if it's a full
Let's see if there's
fledged
something in it.
album, there may be something already in it, like this on these lines, something with a message or something that he strongly feels for. So, oh my
Right.
God, I love the video. I think it was brilliantly shot. I mean, you can tell because I'm even seeing in the end credits, it's the same people, Taruni Mathur and Vidhu Kashyap, whose name pops up. They also shot Kaisa Mera Desh or Help. So I'm guessing these are his friends, and there's also a
Yeah.
lot of calls mentioned in the credits. So I'm guessing that's family members. So yeah, so obviously it looks like a not homemade, but sort of like a group friend effort sort of thing, which again
Correct.
is so commendable because everyone just got together and said we have to do this. So and I think they shot with the kids of the NGO and they were so cute. I was
They
fully
were just being
tearing up.
like, yeah.
Yeah, and
I know,
especially
I
when
saw you getting tissues and like at the moment Joe starts doing that, you know. Oh yeah.
control. No, they were very cute, especially when they're talking about what they want to be. I mean, they must be grown up now, no? It's like 10 years,
Of course,
9
of
years ago.
course.
So, I mean, not
Yeah,
grown up,
yeah.
but they must be young adults.
Here's a video idea. Get them only on board and do a new video with like similar stuff. Okay, I'm going to stop.
Yes,
मैं तो
calm
ऐसे
down.
Yeah.
I now I know I have to look this thing that happened. So I don't know. Let's just go with it. So yeah, this was really nice. I'm glad these two tracks were recommended, and
Thank you for suggesting these.
gave us a
Yeah.
nice sneak peek into his journey as a rapper and his process, I guess, and
Yeah.
his source of the source of inspiration, I guess.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So
Fantastic.
very nice.
So, on that note, we're going to take your leave. And of course, we'll be back soon with lots of other stuff. So, till then, this is Shruti saying bye bye. Bye, Joe.
Bye.